Our beloved Elaine Thompson, who is the reigning Olympic champion and fastest woman alive, has unfortunately withdrawn from the 200-meter event at the Jamaican Olympic Trials. Now, Jamaicans online are expressing disappointment and hoping that another Jamaican will pick up the baton. Instead, Elaine will focus on the 100-meter only, a decision influenced by ongoing injury struggles and a challenging season. No, Elaine's season has been plagued by persistent tendon issues, which have significantly impacted her performance. She has not competed in the 200 meters since April 2023, and her recent outings in the 100 meter have been marked by underwhelming times and physical distress. Now, Elaine's decision to withdraw from the 200 meter has significant implications for Olympic ambitions. Aiming to join Usain Bolt as the only athlete to win three consecutive Olympic sprint doubles, her current form and fitness raised concerns about her readiness for the Paris 2024 Olympics. Her issues have been a recurring problem throughout her career, previously affecting her performances at the 2017 and 2019 World Athletics. Despite these setbacks, Elaine remains a great competitor. She holds the record for the fastest 100 meter at 10.54 seconds and is the second fastest woman in the 200 meter with a time of 21.53. However, her current struggles indicate that a new Olympic champion will emerge in the 200 meter in Paris. Are you ready for that, Jamaica? Let us know in the comments. While some are severely disappointed and concerned, others acknowledge that what she's doing is just practical, given her lack of competitive appearances in the 200 meter this year and her injury. Now, supporters are hopeful that focusing on the 100 meter will allow her to perform at her best despite the challenging circumstances. So, this is probably the best way for Elaine to remain in the Olympics and also try to win our medal at the 100 meter instead of focusing both and stressing out herself more and possibly losing it all. Now, we wish Elaine the best. Um, we are hopeful and we'll pray for her and hoping that she'll come back. All right, guys, that's a quick update for now. We have more coming your way. This week is all about sports and history, so look out for that.